Okay, Stanley, you can do this as like the intro, so just go.
We're here.
Oi, fresh shave up, fresh, son. What the? What are those?
They're Adidas.
Oh, you know what those are.
What are those?
I actually wear them quite often.
Yeah, no, but what are those? But I don't care what they are. Which is why I brought them.
Got our VIP wristbands for the performance.
Do you know what? Let me make this vlog short. Camera on me. I forgot what I was going to say.
Now, bro, I'm getting one of these. No. That's mine, bro. That's mine. I got it. I got one.
I got one.
So we're at Blackheath station. We're going to start operating. Stay tuned for us.
You're in the middle.
Film sideways, man.
Jordan!
We're starting with Afro Lighter, yeah?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Come on! So come on!
Just finished the first performance. I've lost my voice a little bit. How are you feeling, Aaron?
I'm feeling hyped. I want to go again. I'm ready.
So here we have old timer Dominic Hanning came to support.
Alright, so Joe, how do you think it went?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Yeah, good vibes. Pretty sweaty.
Pretty sweaty, yeah.
Pretty sweaty.
Ready to go again?
Huh?
Ready to go again?
Ready to go again. Always ready. Always ready.
Now we move on to Kieran Pearson. Hey, Mr. Pearson and friend.
Hi, I'm Kieran from South London, Samba. These are my friends, Rowan and Sarah. How are you this evening?
No, we're great. So thanks. Bye.
Sorry.